In Heron's formula, exercise 8.2, fifth question. A rhombus-shaped field as green grass for 18 cows to grass if each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. How much area of grass field will each cow be getting? In rhombus, we'll have four sides also will be equal. So they given the sides is 30 meter. So the longer diagonal side they given 48 meter. So how we'll find the area for this? It's AB, CD rhombus. First triangle 1, 2, 3 side we have. So if we have 3 side, using Heron's formula we can find the area of triangle. Same like that, because this measurement also same measurement. So first finding this, we'll multiply by 2. We'll get the total area of rhombus. Area of triangle DBC. Formula is S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. But what is the S value? S is semi-perimeter. So A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A is 30, B also is 30 plus 48 is C divided by 2. 60 plus 48 is 108 divided by 2. So we will get 54 meter for S value. Therefore, S is semi-perimeter, 54 meter we got. So apply here square root of 54. Here 54 minus A value is 30. 54 minus 30. 54 minus C is 48. So here square root of 54 into 54 minus 30 is 24. 54 minus 30 is 24 into 54 minus 48 is 6. So here 2 time we have 24, 1 time we can take out. This 54 into 6. Now 24, 54 will come in 6th table, 6 9s are 54, here 6. 2 time we have 6, so we can take 1 time out. Here square root of 9 is 3. Now we can multiply this 24 into 6 3s are 18. We will get 432 meters square. This is for one triangle. If you want to multiply for 2 triangle, we have to multiply by 2. Otherwise, we can add also 2 times. So therefore, area of rhombus ABCD equal to 2 into 432. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 864 meters square. Then how many cows is eating this? 18 cows. So area each cows get for grassing means we have to divide by this. 18 cows. If you divide, we'll get 48 meters square. Your sixth question is homework. This figure is this. Seventh question I am going to take for you. Here they given a kite in the shape of a square. This is shape of the square kite they have given. In that diagonal is 32 centimeter. This is diagonal. They given 32 centimeter. And isosceles triangle of base. This is isosceles triangle. That means two side will become same and third side will become different measurement. So they given the base is 8 centimeters. So this measurement is 8 centimeter and the two sides are 6 centimeter. This and this 6 centimeter is to be made of the three different shades. Here one color, this is one color, this is one more color they given as shown in the figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? This kite is there in the square form. They have given here first color and this is second different color, third one is different color. In this isosceles triangle shape they given, base is 8 centimeter, other two sides are 6 centimeter. But in the square form they given only one diagonal. It is there in the square formation. So we have to find area of square. If they given the sidewise, we have a into a square formula. But they given only diagonal. So half into diagonal square. D means diagonal square the formula. So we have here half into 32 square. So here half into 32 into 32. 1 2s are 2. Here 16 2s are 32. So we have here 16 into 32. If you multiply, we will get 512 centimeters square. $512 is square area. We have in this shape 1, shape 2. So we have to divide 512 by 2 because we have two colors there. So when we divide, we will get 256 centimeters square. This is for each shape required the area. Then we have to find the third part. Third part we have isosceles triangle. So now area of third part. We have three sides. So what is the formula for this? S into S minus A, S minus V and S minus C. So what is the S is here? It is semi-perimeter. So A plus B plus C divided by 2. What is the A we have here? It is 6 plus 8 by 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 by 2 is 10 centimeter. S is 10. Then 10 minus A is 6 centimeter. Again 10 minus 8 centimeter as B. Then 10 minus C is 6 centimeter. Here square root of 10 into 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. We have here 2 time of 4. We can take 1 time 4 is out. So we have here it is 10. 10 is, see, 4. 5 2s are 10. Again one more 2 you have here. 2 times 2 when we have, we can take outside 1 2. So here we have inside square root of 5. Now 4 2s are 8. 8 into square root of 5 centimeter square. Eighth question is your homework. This is the figure for 8th. 9th question now I will take. A field in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Trapezium they have given. So this is 25 meter. This is 10 meter. That is parallel side they given. Non-parallel side they given it is 14 meter and 13 meter. So if I want to cut the same 10 meter, this is 10 meter means I will get this portion as parallelogram. So remaining else here I will get here 15 meter. That's why 15 plus 10 I will get 25 meter. So when it is 13 means this portion also I will get 13 meter because it is a parallelogram. Remaining this, in this triangle we have to find the h value is here. So we'll give the name of trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium and ABCF is a parallelogram. This point I'll give as G. ABCD is a trapezium. In this ABDC is parallel sides. So we have drawn now AF should be parallel to BC. That's why this is 13 meter means here also it will be 13 meter. And AG is perpendicular to DC I have drawn here. Perpendicular means you will get here 90 degree. Here also 90 degree will get. So now in ABCF this is parallelogram. Then what is the DF will be there? 25 minus 10 I have 15 meters. Now I have to find the area of ADF. Area of triangle ADF. What is the formula if I have the three sides also by Heron's? S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Before that we have to find what is the S value. S is semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what is the A, B, C I have? 13, 14, 15 I have. So 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2. So we'll get here 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry here 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 42 by 2 will be 21 meter. This is what our S value. S value is 21 meter. So 21 into here 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. Square root of 21 we have here. 21 minus 13 is 8. 21 minus 14 is 7. 21 minus 15 is 6. So we have here 21 is 7 3s are 21. 8 we can write 2 4s are 8. 7 we can write as it is. 6 we can write 3 2s are 6. So now we have 2 time of 7, take 1 time out. Then 2 time of 3 we have, take out. And we have 2 time of 2, 1 time you take out. Remaining will be 4. Square root of 4 also is 2. 7 3s are 21. 2 2s are 4. When we multiply 1 4s are 4. 4 2s are 8 meter square we have. This is only for area of ADF. Keeping this value, we'll find the H value now. Area of triangle ADF. What is the formula? Half into base into height. But just now we got through Heron's formula 4 meter square. But base is here 15 meter. H value we should find Here area of triangle by Heron's formula we got 84 meters square. So this 2 can come this side by multiplication 2. 15 can come denominator 15. So we have here H. 2 fours are 8. 2 eights are 16 divided by 15. This is what your H value. When we divide 168 divided by 15, we'll get 11.2 meter. Keeping this, we can find the area of parallelogram. ABCF. Area of parallelogram is base into height. So here area of parallelogram equal to base into height. What is the base here? We have 10. Height we have got 11.2. So when we multiply by 10, only 0 should be added like this. Then 1 digit before we have to keep point. 1 digit before you should keep the point. This much meter square we got it. That is total area of field ABCD equal to triangle of ADF area also plus area of parallelogram also we have to add. So here we got that is 84 meter square plus 112 meter square. All if you add we'll get 196 meter square. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then this one is like that. This is what our area of field ABCD.